Bored with your usual garlic parmesan wings? How about we make it better? Hi Queenatics! Let's make creamy garlic cheddar wings. Crispy, cheesy, garlicky. This one's guaranteed to be your new favorite. First, pat the chicken wings dry. Season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Toss in cornstarch and set aside. Next, melt butter and saute garlic until fragrant. Add Philadelphia cream cheese and stir until smooth. Pour in heavy cream or all-purpose cream. Then, add cheddar cheese. Mix until melted and creamy. Loosen with a bit of water if needed. Heat oil to 175 degrees Celsius. Fry the wings until golden and crispy. About 8 minutes per side. Let them rest for 5 minutes, then fry again for extra crunch. While hot, pour the wings into the cheesy sauce. Toss until fully coated. Top with more cheddar and parsley if you like. Serve right away. Hot and crispy. So crispy, so cheesy, so good. Let me know if this becomes your new favorite too.